Had that heat gun on that bolt for a couple minutes now. I already removed that one there, but we'll set that down there for a second and get my Torx bit here. We'll go ahead and stick it in there. Should be nice and warm. I'm going to set it down just for a second. Kind of need both hands here to get it off. Break. Come loose. Oh my. Okay. Well, it sounds like it's going to break, but so that was a couple minutes with that heat gun. It's just a 3/8 ratchet. It's being a little stubborn. I'm going to take both hands down. I need both hands again. Oh, here we go. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and do the wrench, but we're getting it. Feels like something's loose in there. Whatever's in there, I'm gonna fall out. And there you go. That heat gun on that bolt for soldering gun on that bolt for a couple minutes, and I broke it with a 3/8 ratchet and just that T40 Torx. So that's how simple that is. Didn't mess up any paint or nothing. So got one more to do, and then I'll get my light mounts on.